Let's have a trading recap, shall we? Good morning. It's 4:30. I normally had to be up at 3 a.m. but I've been pulling it. Today's one of those days I don't want to wake up, but I don't have a choice. So I want to dress my bed. Then I have some laundry to do. I'll put some dresses in the laundry machine. Basically today I have to go to school because I have a test and I have to go to work. But what I have to do right now is I have to study the charts, and basically, yeah, I don't today is I don't know. I'm practicing doing what I said I was going to do, and I don't think I did such a good job today, but nevertheless I am up. We Wednesday today. I have a test today at 9:40 and I have work at 11 a.m. until 11 p.m. I am not having such a good, like I didn't sleep well, so basically, so right now I'm going to dress my bed and I'm going to brush my teeth. Then the last thing that I will do is I will just drop the dresses in the laundry room. After that I'll come and study because I have to study today. Normally I like to pack my gym outfits a day before so that when the day comes for the gym I just pick my bag and I'm leaving. But today is a different thing because I came back yesterday and the only thing that I wanted to do was go straight to bed. So I'm going to drink this water, then I'm going to pack water for tomorrow for the gym. Since I started trading this way, yesterday was the first day I took a stop loss, but I recovered with other trades, and I can say so far my trading has been so good. I've been trading so well and there is really no pressure anymore. I don't know, but it feels so peaceful. The way I trade now feels so peaceful, and I'm basically grateful. Should I say that? Yes, I'm grateful. Basically how my desk looks like, and there are so many things here that I need to like clean. This is basically how it is. That's my vision board. Those are the rules that I have to follow. That is where my books are. That is my computer. That is my tablet. There's one thing that I'm manifesting is a better study desk. No, not a better, a trading desk, like a better one, and I'm definitely going to have it. Lately it feels so beautiful to trade to me. Basically I am no longer, for the past couple of days I have not been so money minded. I have mostly been like, oh, these are the things that I want to see and I'm seeing them. I want to show you guys some trades that I took yesterday when I was at work, and why those trades didn't work out. I really saw my mistake a little bit later, and I've noticed that when I'm trading from oh my god, I'm so tired. I don't like to say I'm tired anymore, but why do I feel like this? I didn't sleep enough. Yeah, because I slept at midnight, then I have to be up at 3 a.m. Since 3 a.m. I've not had a good sleep, because in my head it's like, this is the time you have to wake up. What are you still doing here? You have to wake up, things like that. If there's one thing that I want to say about trading, this goes especially to new traders, people who want to start trading. If you're doing it on your own and in this moment you feel like it is taking so long, don't beat yourself. Remember, this is literally a lifetime career. For some people, they just want to hop in and hop out, but if you are someone who is looking at this from a lifetime perspective, this is literally your life. This is how your life is going to be. Now, that does not mean that when you become profitable or when you start making good money, it is going to still be the same. But Trading is literally a career. That is how I see it. It is my career. If you ask me what do I do for a living, even if I'm not making so much money from trading yet, I'm telling you that I'm a trader. When someone asks me what do you do, I'm literally a trader. That is it. That is all. I don't have a lot to tell anybody. Take it as your person, that like take it like part of you, basically. That is who you are. And forget about what you see on social media, people who just glorify trading like, oh, they're making money. Of course there are people who are, but that does not mean that it's everybody who is on social media who makes money from trading. I used to think that immediately I'm going to pop into this industry, or I'm just going to become, this is my 3rd year closing, so I'm going into my 4th year. Sometimes I sit and I look at the people that I started with, or people whom I was watching, how good they are right now, and I feel like, when is it going to be my turn? But at the same time, I tell myself that it is their turn now, and definitely my turn is coming, right? It is not blue black, it is not white and black. Basically, there are processes to this thing. The only thing is that most of the people we see so successful right now, we have not gone through their stories. If you go through how are they calling this guy, Jeffrey Benson's, yeah, if you go through his beginnings, you're going to see how he struggled. Everyone in this industry has some stories to tell. This is my story that I'm telling, and I'm owning it with my full chest. Like, basically, I have a puffy face, a swollen face, but I don't care, because there is something that I'm looking out for. Do I know, like, if you ask me when I wake up, if you ask me, do I know what is going to happen today in the market? I don't know, but I am just going with the flow. That does not mean that I don't know what I am doing. It just means that I don't have control over what is going to happen in my life today. I will only control what I can, and for what I cannot control, I'll basically let it be. That is all. It's no more than that. So right now I'm going to go to the chart, study, and we'll be back. There are a few people I like to listen to when I wake up in the morning, and one of those people is Bob Proctor. I've been listening to Bob Proctor for a very long time. I knew about Bob Proctor like 3 years ago, but I just like to listen to him because he gives this it is possible kind of vibe, right? I don't know how to say it, but I just like to listen to him. I'm listening to this. I don't know if you guys can see it. You were born rich, part 1. I've been saying that I was going to follow this seminar. It has actually 2 parts. You were born rich 1 and 2, and I'll follow 1 and 2 today. Then tomorrow I'll go for Bob Proctor on how to visualize Think and Grow Rich reading. So yeah. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday and currently I'm going to the gym. It's like I'm late. Normally I have to be at the gym at 6:30, but it's okay. So I just finished I just finished analyzing the chart, and today for gold I'm expecting to buy, and for BTC I'm expecting to buy. Then for Euro USD I'm expecting to buy as well. That doesn't mean I'm going to trade everything. There's currently a trade on gold, a sell that I saw on gold, and it's actually working so far. and it's like actually selling, right? But it's just a retracement. It is not like that is how the market is going to be. But on the higher time frame, which is the daily, gold is still very bullish. So by the time I come back to the gym, I might and I might not trade today, because I noticed this morning that my charger, the charger of my PC is not working. So I've ordered a new one and I'm waiting for it. It's going to arrive like tomorrow or so. So today I'm basically having such a chill day, because the only thing I'm doing today is the gym. I don't have school, I don't have work. So today is literally like a day for me that I'm going to cook, eat, study, and watch a movie. It's been a while I've not watched a movie, and if there is one thing that I'm very grateful for, is how consistent I have been. Wait, so far this week, why am I screaming? So far this week, I have taken like I took a trade on Monday. I think I've hit stop loss once, or I've not hit stop loss at all, but I've not yet done like the mathematics and everything. But overall this week, I think if I've hit stop loss is just once, which is not even too sure. I don't think I have actually hit stop loss, but I have had more winning trades than losing trades. And the way I trade now, I'm a professional trader. I'm literally a professional trader. Nobody can take that away from me. And I am such a successful trader. You guys are going to hear about me. The weather is so cold that my eyes are literally drooping. I love this gym because first things, it's closer to my school, and also it has everything that I need to make my workout perfect. I need. So we're going to start with Euro USD. This is Euro USD on the 4 hours time frame, and so far this pair has been bullish. I'm looking at the trade that I just missed right now, and I'm like, oh my god, on Euro USD, but it's okay. So overall, this trade has been bullish, right? Now I have explained my strategy multiple times, and I don't need to explain that anymore. Now this is the first trade on Monday. I was looking out to buy. Why was I looking out to buy? Price got to a key level, which is this fair value gap here. So the least thing that I was expecting to do at this point was to buy this market, and that is eventually what I did. I had a continuation because I have a break of structure, and this was a continuation, so I took this buy as well. This was on no, I didn't take this trade. This was when I was studying. Now this is Wednesday's trade that I think it was Wednesday that I hit, no, Tuesday that I hit stop loss. The trade on the stop loss, I don't know if I can find it, but this trade took me out yesterday, Wednesday, at break even. It was going on so well. I was expecting to sell onto 50% of this fair value gap before I see price moving forward, but that did not happen. Now this is this particular one is Thursday. I was expecting price to tap me in, but if we go to the 50 minutes time frame, you're going to see that it took me out at break even, and I'm not even upset. I'm not pissed. It's okay. So this was it missed me. Sorry, it missed me. I was expecting price to tap me at this fair value gap. This is a trade here before it starts selling, but that is not basically what happened. So price just kept on going, and I was expecting to buy here. This buy, I have it somewhere. If I go back, we are going to see it together. This is the buy here, and I can say today as well, I had a winning trade Friday. This trade finally is about to hit CP. This is like a 1:3.7. If I'm looking for, it's definitely going to hit CP, so there's no need to worry. Now let's go on BTC. When it comes to BTC here, oh, I was waiting for price to react here for continuation, and it actually did. But when you go to BTC, let me look at the BTC that I've been working with, where I have my chart, my trades. When it comes to BTC, oh my god, not here. Okay, I had multiple trades on BTC this week. This is last week, but unfortunately I can't find just this one because the other one I deleted them. So this is Wednesday's trade on BTC. No, this is the only trade I took on BTC this week. That was like a 1:3.5, and price gave basically a 1:8 or a 1:9, but I was looking for a 1:3. So 1:3, yeah, and that was it. So my trading week has been good. That is basically what I can say, and I am getting so close to hitting my so overall I'm going to say that I had an amazing trading week. When I talk about an amazing trading week, it was so good, it was so perfect. Now the reason why I'm saying it was perfect is because I saw my strategy playing out and I was so patient. I took exactly my trades when I needed to take them. Now I traded from Monday to Wednesday. Yesterday the market was funny, it was too choppy. There's a trade I was waiting for on gold. I don't even know, I think it finally hit stop loss, but it hit TP first, then it reversed. I was expecting it to sell to a particular point. I'm going to show you guys, but however this week I took overall 6 trades, and out of the 6 trades I had 1 break even, I had 1 losing trade, and the rest were winning trades. Most of the times I felt courageous, I felt positive, I was patient. On the losing trade I was normal, I felt nothing. It was just like, okay, this is part of my lack of, like, I didn't pay attention so well, and I hit stop loss on that particular trade. It was on Euro USD, and that was basically on Tuesday. But Wednesday I took 3 trades, right? 1 break even and 2 winning trades. Remember I said I'm forward testing, so the idea here is to see how my trade is playing out and take trades only when I see a setup, right? So I actually did saw setups and I took the setups that I saw. But overall I feel so good this week. At the gym I was good, with my diet I've been good, with my trading I've been good. Things are getting better, things are getting so better, things feel so amazing, and I'm so grateful. So I'm going to take you guys to the chart and we are going to talk about everything that happened together. If you've ever worked on something and you get to a point you start feeling like, I think it's so close, I think I'm almost there, I just need to continue showing up, that is exactly how I feel. To be very honest, that is exactly how I'm feeling right now, and oh my god, I'm so grateful. So that is basically how my trading week has been. I don't think I had a lot to share. Basically that is how it was, and I'm definitely going to see you guys next week to talk about how that week is. See you guys, bye.